Hey guys, what's going on? It's a couple days later. I finally got a hose for my test gauge. I've been thinking a lot about this and reading a lot on hydraulics, and I'm going to do a couple of preliminary tests. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the backhoe bucket on the ground and see if the front will lift the front hydraulics will lift the front of the tractor off the ground, the front of the backhoe off the ground. If so, then that's kind of definitive in saying that it might be something with my rear part of my hydraulics, because I can lift the front of the backhoe off the ground, or the front of the front bucket off the ground rather, and the backhoe will lift the back end off the ground. But if I leave the front bucket down, then the backhoe won't lift it. So I don't know if it has something to do with leverage or something like that, but if I reverse it and try it the other way and it kicks the valve, then I know it's another problem. So that's what I'm going to do first, and then I'm going to do some testing. Okay, I know this is going to be hard to read because it's upside down, but right there is about 1500. We're shooting for right at 2400 for the relief valve. Okay, I'm not sure if the relief valve's kicking in. I think it is. I'm going to do some adjustments on it back here and see. Okay, I adjusted the relief valve out to see if it's working. Okay, I have it set at 2400, but I'm not sure that when it starts squealing, if that's when the relief valve is kicking in, but it seems that it squeals and then it picks up more pressure, then it stops. So I'm not real sure about that. But at least we know I'm getting good PSI to the front. I mean, 2400 is what it's supposed to get, so I'm going to change it out and see if that helped out any. or change it out, hook the hose back up. Okay, I got the hose hooked back up, so I'm going to try the same test again and see if that made any difference. Okay, that made a considerable difference in the front end as far as when I have the backhoe on the ground lifting the front off the ground, and it made a difference in the back end as well. But I'm thinking that one of my cylinders in the back is weak, is why it's not picking it up. So this is definitely a move forward. So I need to go back in the back and check the pressures also in the back, but right now I don't have time, so this will end this part and I'll pull it back in and fool with it a little bit later. Thanks for everybody's help, and as always, thanks for watching.